about how I feel. We reached the dead end, no more amends. Conversations in my head, why isn't the love I had for you dead yet? Lay right here in the past, before the downpour, before we crashed. My love is a war, my love is a storm, and like the sirens we saw it coming. I've been holding on to a maybe, perhaps a someday with you, baby. When my soul cries out, I love you, I hope you hear it echo. I am the moon, and you're the eclipse. Hold on tight to my vice grip. A fleeting moment, mind unfocused. I wish you would notice the signs I'm sending. Are you forgetting? And does my perfume linger in your room? Like the way your love traces my mind, the way your voice is my guiding light. Unbalanced scales, tilted and pouring, daydreams and fairy tales, lost hopes imploring, both licking its wounds as if pain could pay debt. Crying monsoons, I just want to forget. The kind of heartbreak makes death look harmless. I hate being awake, alone in the darkness.